Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to Max JFS channel. All right. So, if you have never been here before, this is the weekly analysis I do each week. For those who follow me, we are about to start our analysis on the major forex pairs. All right. So, the first one is the euro dollar. So, now what do I expect on euro dollar next week? So, on the weekly, we can see it is very expensive on the weekly. And as the saying goes, we always want to sell when the price is expensive and buy at the lowest price. So we can see on the weekly that the price is very expensive. So we are looking for opportunities to sell, not to buy. All right. So come to the 4 hour and I'm coming look for key zones that the market may react with. So with here, I'm going to use the trend line to find the turning points. All right. So what do I expect? So I expect price to move this way. It's the trend line and now come down. So the trend line is going to act as a resistance for me to enter into the trade. Okay. So the next one is the GBP. So on the weekly, okay. So the weekly also tells us that the price is also very expensive. On the daily, you can see it making a higher high. So you can see this higher high, higher low, higher high. So higher low. You can also see this move coming up right here. So now we are going to expect a buy on the GBP. A buy on the GBP. Okay. So where will we enter? Where is our zone? So now to find our zone, I'm going to use this zone right here to read the place. So my entry point will be somewhere right here. So now I'm waiting for price to tap into this zone right here in our move up. So I'm going to wait 2 or 3 days for it to make the confirmation because I can't just enter to this day because you can see this bearish and big candlestick right here. So I want to look for a confirmation to give me uh, an opportunity to enter into the market. Okay, so the next one is the USD chef. So the USD chef, we can see that price is very cheap daily, very very cheap, and we can see it also making a nice trend. So now it's made a lower low, so we're expecting a higher high right here before going down low. So because it's cheap, we're looking for opportunities to buy. So now if I want to buy this, I want to look for a zone in which price may react to. So now I'm going to take this one right here. It's like it's creating a resistance right here. You can see this resistance around this one. So I'm just going to wait for a breakout and retest. Now enter into the markets. Breakout, retest. And I'll enter into this market. Okay. So the next one I'm going to analyze is the NZD-USD. So NZD-USD. All right. So you can see the daily also made so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're expecting a nice move upwards. So which means that I'll be looking for opportunities to buy. All right. So yeah, I like how the 4 hour is looking right now. I like the way the 4 hour is looking. I really like the way the 4 hour is looking. Mm. I might buy when it closes like this on the 4 hour. It's looking very promising for me. So just as it has done, I would have entered right here. I would have entered right here like the way it has done. It's looking very, very promising for me. So when it closes and engulfs this bearish candle, I'm going to enter the markets whereby I'm really going to enter into the markets. In the next 30 minutes, when this candle closes. All right, so we're expecting up for NZDs. So the next one is USDJPY. So USDJPY, you can see that has made a higher high right here, a very nice higher high. So we're expecting a higher low to continue moving up. So now where are we expecting the higher? So I'll be expecting the higher low right at this zone right here. This zone right here. So I'm expecting a higher low right here before moving up. Okay. The next one, ODSD. It's made this nice higher high. And you're expecting a higher low right here. So you're looking for a zone to enter into the market. And I think this will be the best zone for us to wait to enter into the market. Right here. I think this one will be a very good one for us. Because this looks like a double bottom. So retesting. So it's retested and now back. So here it was acting as resistance, resistance, supports, resistance. So this is a very nice zone for us to enter into the markets. Okay, so the next one is USD card. So truly speaking, I don't like the way the USD card is looking right now. I really don't like the way it is looking. And I'm not going to predict it. I'm not going to enter into this market. I don't like the way it is looking, so I'm going to skip USD card now. So yes, so I'm done with the analysis. That even if I enter into USD card, then it means no, it doesn't look promising. It doesn't really look like a high probability trade. So yes, so I'm done with the analysis except for USD card. So which one looks very, very promising to me? So so my very first pair will be my very first pair will be GBP and my next pair will be USD Chef. So USD Chef, my second pair. And my third pair will be NZD, USD. My fourth pair, my fourth pair will be USD JPY. Yeah, before euro dollar in all USD. So that's how I'm going to look at it, the market. All right. So thank you very much for hanging around with me. And I hope this week's be a great week for all of us. At least make some money from the market. All right, this is the end of the analysis, and thank you for coming around. This is Max JFS. Please like, subscribe, and comment my videos. Thank you very much. And it's a bye for now. Thank you.